Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Thanks for joining us today. Let's continue with making a grocery list part 2. Now that we have our inputs on our screen, we can set up our data. So let's go to the Data tab to start off. First, we're going to need to create a new data type. Let's name it grocery store item. Each grocery store item will need to have a description and an image. So we're going to have the field name description, and that's going to be text. And we're going to have an image field name, and that, you guessed it, it's going to be an image. Okay, so then we have to also have each user have their own lists. So under the user data tab, or user data type, we will create a new field called grocery store item list. So user, create a new field here, grocery store item list. And this is going to be field type grocery store item. And make sure this is checked, this field is a list. Okay, there you go. So next video we'll explain this concept a little more in detail. So thanks for watching the No Code Minute. Stay tuned for Making a Grocery List Part 3. Please remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks!